Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't mind my hair. I've been out gardening all day. It's hot out here, but I'm not complaining. Anyway, so I want to show you guys my 2 Illuminati tiny towers that I got from Hirts Gardens last year. I want to get those planted today, and I finally picked the right spot for them, and they look like they are going to flower soon. So I want to get them in the ground and let them go ahead and start getting established for this garden season. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So here is one and there's the other. So here's the tag. They get 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. So I've already measured these. They will get about this tall, and then they'll be about a 1.5 foot wide. So they're going to be relatively small, and I think placing them right here will be really nice looking. So I'm going to do that, and they won't block too much of the view from the screen and porch, which is nice. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I cannot wait to see these guys bloom. This one is budded up, so let me show you. So yeah, blooms on the way. Bloom watch. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I've got the first hole dug. I'm gonna put some biotone starter in there. That's how the hole looks. Let's go ahead and get that fertilizer in there. I just grab a handful and just put it in there. No measuring, just winging it. Okay, the first one's in. He looks amazing. He's so cute and little. All right, time for the second one. So they're both planted. They look amazing. I think I got them just a tad bit close together, but they get 1.5 feet wide and then 3 to 4 feet tall. So they're not huge at all, and they'll come right up between this middle part right here, and they're gonna look so great. So I've got them planted in this bed. So the next layer down are the Firelight Tidbit hydrangeas from Proven Winners. And then I've got peekaboo alliums. And then I've got some heuchera that is super pretty. And then I've got my blue fescue here. And then I've got this creeping Jenny. And I just love how this bed is filling in. It's finally starting to look how I imagined it. It's beautiful, so colorful. And I can't wait until the peekaboo allium bloom, because they're beautiful pink poof ball blooms, and they just look so magical and whimsical, and you know, the kids like to look at them, so it's wonderful. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this bed or any of the plants in it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.